Imagine you are cruising down the highway and suddenly your smooth V8 engine starts shaking and misfiring like it is struggling to stay alive. That sinking feeling in your stomach is usually followed by code P3452 appearing on your scanner. This code is all about the cylinder 7 deactivation and intake valve control circuit being too high. Basically, your car has this clever feature where it shuts down half its cylinders to save fuel when you are just coasting along. The EACM, or engine control module, uses solenoids to deactivate the valve, but in this case, it is seeing way too much electrical resistance or voltage from the cylinder 7 circuit. When this happens, the computer might even shut off the fuel injector to that cylinder to prevent damage, which is why it feels like the engine is dying. Here is a huge pro tip that many people miss. Check your oil level and quality immediately. This system relies heavily on oil pressure to move the mechanical parts that deactivate the cylinder. If your oil is low or incredibly dirty, the solenoid cannot move, and the computer thinks the circuit is broken. It is a very common mistake to go out and buy an expensive new deactivation solenoid when all you really needed was an oil change and a new filter. If the oil is fine, then you need to look at the wiring harness. Look for any signs of heat damage or broken clips near the intake manifold where these solenoids live. If you find a burnt wire or a loose connector, that is your smoking gun. Dealing with a misfire is urgent because if you let it go, you can cause permanent damage to your engine internals. So get under the hood as soon as you can to track down that electrical or pressure fault.